All right, so we are on a computer, and I'm going to open up ND Office here. Let's go to a little gear. About. We are running 3.2, so the latest version of ND Office 3.2. I'm going to click on New Email. This opens up here. We're going to come over to ND Attach, which allows me to go into NetDocs and grab documents. And we've got a new feature called Secured Link. Deliver a secured link was built into the basic web interface. So if we come over here, we could have always done this. So if we were to check off, let's say, 3 or 4 documents, we could come over to More, Deliver a Secured Link. But this is now built into Outlook. Let's just see it. So I'm going to choose these documents here, Secured Link, click Insert, and now we can come over and we could do all this from Outlook. This is awesome. This is basically ShareFile, Dropbox, all that built into NetDocs itself. Here are all the documents. We could come over here and add more files. Password protect this. If we need to password protect it, we would put it in a password, both places, call the person, tell them the password. Link will expire 1 month from today, although we could change that as well. Notify me when a document is accessed. I mean, it does exactly what it says. When someone clicks on one of these, it will email you. And so if they keep clicking on a link, it can get a little annoying. Allow documents to be downloaded. If you take this off, people can only view the documents in a browser. And I will just click on Attach now. And NetDocs is taking all of these documents, converting them to a link. And there they are. And then there's a Download All button here, which will download all of these documents. So once you update NetDocs to the newest version of NetDocuments, you have in Outlook Deliver a Secured Link built in now.